Welcome to my channel. Topic for today's discussion is operating profit before working capital changes. Before proceeding with the problem, have a look at the format of the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is classified into three parts. First part of the cash flow statement is cash flow from operating activities. The second part, cash flow from investing activities. And the third part is cash flows from financing activities. To prepare cash flow statement, we have to prepare cash flow from each of these activities, and at last we will combine them and will get cash and cash equivalents at the end of the period. Operating profits before working capital changes is determined after adjusting for non-cash and non-operating items. What are the non-cash items? Depreciation, goodwill written off are the non-cash items, and fictitious assets or capital losses written off like underwriting commission, discount on issue of debentures, preliminary expenses written off also do not affect cash. So these items need to be adjusted from the net profit. We need to adjust any loss or gain on sale of fixed asset and investments to determine operating profit before working capital changes. Now we will move on to the problem. From the given informations, we have to compute operating profit before working capital changes. Net profit before tax and extraordinary items 2 lakhs. Dividend received on long-term investment in shares 40,000. Interest received on long-term investment in debentures of other companies 30,000. Goodwill written off 20,000. Discount on issue of shares written off 10,000. Preliminary expenses written off 25,000. Depreciation charged on fixed assets 65,000. Profit on sale of equipment 10,000. Loss on sale of long-term investments 8,000. Let's start with the computation of operating profit before working capital changes. As I already said, we have to make necessary adjustments with the net profit. So we will start with the net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Net profit before tax and extraordinary items is 2 lakhs. So write 2 lakhs net profit before tax and extraordinary items. With the net profit, we have to make adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items. Look at the information. Here we have information related to dividend received and interest received. Dividend received and interest received are to be shown under the heading cash flows from investing activities. So we have to deduct these items from the net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Subtract dividend received and interest received. How much? Dividend received 40,000, interest received 30,000. 40,000 and 30,000. Next item, goodwill written off. Goodwill do not affect cash at all. So we have to add back goodwill to the net profit. Goodwill amount rupees 20,000. Add goodwill written off 20,000. Discount on issue of shares written off 10,000. Discount on issue is a capital loss. So we have to add with the net profit Discount on issue 10,000. Next item, preliminary expenses written off. It is a fictitious assets. So, add back preliminary expenses to the net profit. Preliminary expenses written off 25,000. Next one, depreciation charged on fixed assets. Depreciation do not affect cash at all. So, add back with the net profit. Depreciation 65,000. Profit on sale of equipment should be deducted from net profit. How much? 10,000. Next, loss on sale of long-term investment. Any loss on sale of fixed asset or investment should be added to the net profit. How much? Loss on sale 8,000. Loss on sale 8,000. Next, we have to find out the total of all the items which are to be added back to the net profit. 20,000 plus 10,000, 30,000, 55,000 plus 65,000, 1,20,000 plus 8,000, 1,28,000. Next, find out the total of all the items which are to be subtracted from the net profit. 40,000, 70,000, 80,000. 2 lakhs plus 1,28,000, 3 lakhs 28,000. From the 3,28,000 subtract 80,000, we will get 2 lakhs 48,000. This is the operating profit before working capital changes. I hope now you are clear with the computation of operating profit before working capital changes. Thank you.